G-Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Man, this is a legendary video, man. So, you know, it's only right that we come back with another one. And we got my brother, the life of Jeremy Barrett. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel. Talk to him, brother. I mean, that look like a Hellcat in the back if you ask me. We got a lot of new subscribers. So they might not know you.
Yeah, the life of Jeremy Barrett. Subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate it. It's my little brother.
Big brother, man.
Yeah, little big brother.
Yeah, there you go, brother.
He gonna have the bloody cat, man. I dropped the bloody cat off here with him.
So you gonna give me that?
Oh yeah.
Don't lie to him, man. You using me. He's using me, y'all. He's lying to y'all. He's using me. Because what we plan on doing, we ain't gonna let you know what we plan on doing right now. You just got to stay tuned, alert, man, because there's some big stuff coming y'all way. But trust me, I tell you, if my brother drives, what was gonna drive about 5, 6 hours?
Yeah, 6
so
hours.
We get around, but you gotta add probably about 7 because that LA traffic.
That traffic was garbage.
You know what's crazy? I've been here for like a month or a little bit over a month now. I've kind of gotten used to it. Like I just be like, okay, you're never going fast. So it's just like, sit your ass in the middle lane or the slow lane and just cruise, man. Just come to the understanding and the realization you ain't going nowhere.
Right.
You know what I mean? So you can try to do all the weaving it, accident.
Yeah, exactly.
You see what I'm saying? No more accidents. We don't want none of that, man. So there we go. That's what we're doing, man. We here getting the bloody cat
together. In this garage, though.
Oh, big 1% of the world is up in this joint, man. I'm not one of them. I'm about 68%. You know what I mean? But the 1% of the world, the real rich folks, they here.
You want to be motivated, all you got to do is come out here and come in the garage.
It's crazy.
There's plenty of motivation.
I'm not going to lie. I walk out here every day when I go to start the Ram reasons. I come out, I walk by that ACR Viper, I walk by that 4A FF. The BMW IAs, even though like they're type finagle, but it's still the, you know what I mean, 150,000, something like that. Lamborghini Urus right there. You got the SLRs and Mercedes.
That BMW, that's that thing over there.
Yeah, the BMW i8. Yeah. So shout out to my dog 3 of them because that's his type not dream joint. He got a lot of dream lips.
Yeah, I seen because that's what I thought that was one I seen.
Yeah, them the ones he wants. He wants the BMW i8 roadster. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel. Links in the description below, man. But anything else you want to tell them, brother?
No.
You want to start the bloody cat one more time?
Yeah.
We got to do it. Because the Hellcat is dead now. The Hellcat is dead. So, I mean, it's only right that we give you a start up from some Hellcat. That's a good look right there, though, brother. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Damn. Woo! Show him the headlights, too, Brody. Man, he got these color-changing headlights. Them joints is so legendary and iconic. And he calls his Hellcat the bloody cat, y'all. So for those who don't know and are new to my channel, you know he got the app on his phone. He want to show off. You could have just did it from inside the car behind your tinted windows. You want to show them you got it on your phone? Okay, brother. And it says bloody cat on the tire letters right there, so it gives you a full understanding. And what it does is it reminds me of the bloody cat sitting next, or the Ram Breezy sitting next to the Hellcat. Come on, man. Damn. And you can switch them up like that? Okay, big sherbet ice cream. Get all the colors and flavors. All right, brother, that's enough showing off, man. You can cut the car off, brother. The Hellcat is dead. You know what I mean? Like, you know, it's got some Hellcat back here. All right, let me see. Damn, that's crazy, y'all. Look at that. Let me make sure I get that joint to focus in right here so y'all can see exactly what that thing is doing. Legendary, man. Big time legendary. Teasing me, man. Teasing me. Damn, I missed the Hellcat. I ain't gonna lie. When I used to start the Hellcat in here, bro, this whole joint would be womp, 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 womp. You can hear it like, because it's already stupid loud. But then when you start it up in here, it was like OD. Like I know people used to hear it from their apartments. Man, the Hellcat, man, that was the one, boy. No question. It did so much. Not just for me, but for the whole G squad, man. So, I mean, damn. Got another Hellcat up in the garage. Ooh wee. Why it look like that though, Jeremy? I mean, come on, brother.
I think in a couple of years I'm gonna change the wrap. I'm gonna do that satin chrome red.
Yeah, that satin chrome red is hard. But you gotta go away from that though. Like, oh no, the bloody cat's like your thing now. So it's like, okay, I get it. You kind of like made yourself stick to one color now. Yeah, you.
That's okay, because I like red and black.
Yeah, it's true. Red, white, and black, those are the 3 best colors to me. So when you get them to all pop together like this one, man, it makes for something super iconic. Welcome to the humble abode, brother. What you think, man? I mean, yeah, legendary, right?
Yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah, man, I seen LeBron walking around on the roof the other day, man. You know, I was about to say something, you know.
Come over here and clean your windows.
Hey, man, that's a tough job, boy. I would never in my life.
Never.
Yeah, that's big crazy, man. Yeah, then you gotta go way up there and then, come on, man, it's just holding on by a damn cable. Never in my life. I can't do that, man. I mean, they get paid a bag though, but nah, I had to pass on that, man. But you hear what I said, man? I seen LeBron over here, and then what I was about to do, I was about to say, hey, LeBron, and, you know, I just didn't want to. He's looking a little busy, so I didn't want to. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know he would have gave me season tickets. I'd have been on the floor. You know what I mean? With the most IG posts with the feet up. But you know, I just let him. You know, he looked like a busy man. I know he's doing a lot all the time. He just built a school for kids. You know, iconic nigga, man. So I say, you know what? Yeah, bro, it's a telescope and a light. You know what I mean? You can actually see up to Mars if you look real good, but don't. It's okay, brother. Don't hurt your eyeballs. You know, you gotta have a specific palette of an eyeball, you know, to be able to, you know, see all that. Yeah, but see, there goes Kyle Kuzma. Yeah, but come on, don't look too hard. Come on, it's all right, brother. You don't want to stand there too long, too. You start to, you know, think you about to take off in that outer space or something. You know what I mean? So now we about to pull off, man. My brother, the Life of Jeremy Barrett, go subscribe. He's over there talking to our mom right now. But let's go ahead and start. That bloody cat there, we got the red key file back, man. This is legendary, baby. Uh-oh, got a little. We back in the Hellcat, baby. Damn, you know what I mean? We back, brother. That's right. And my brother got the Hellcat joint up on the sunroof, man. Big time legendary. We got to make sure we in the full mood, brother. Give me full track mode, brother. I know you're getting the new tires and all that, so we ain't going to go full ape on them. But, you know, we going to, whoa, it feel good. Look at that thing, man. Okay, that's the most I can do, man. Phoenix and traumatized me. I can't do much more than that, brother. I'm on the drag strip. So now we are at Platinum. Y'all know what this is, man. PMLtrans.com, man. Make sure you come up here and rock with him. Holla at my guy Harry, man. Real great dude. We got a Ferrari today. Ferrari 488 Spider, I do believe, brother. The top is removed, so we just gonna call it Spider, even if it ain't. But you got the 4x4 G-Wagon. They got everything in here. 2018, 2019 Rolls Royce Phantoms, Range Rovers, Benzes, Charger, Hellcat, Bloody Cat. You know, I'm just kidding. That's yours, bro. I'm just kidding. You got Maybachs. Shout out to Rick Ross. You know what I'm saying? Nipsey. That's type the one he had right there, type white one. But yeah, man, stay tuned for this review. It is coming. Got a lot of legendary content coming y'all way, baby. What y'all thought? Y'all thought I was gonna stop doing car reviews? No, negative. We got a lot of legendary car reviews coming y'all way, but only top of the move, baby. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We about to whip this thing around the block, and we'll holler back at y'all. I got to get my guy Harry on there, man, because I want y'all to meet Harry. For those who ain't catch Harry in the Lamborghini Urus review, if you haven't watched that review, make sure you go watch that review. The link will be in the description below. But this is my guy Harry. Harry, say what's up to him, baby.
What's up, guys?
Tell him what you do here, baby.
Put this on here, so you can't go nowhere without this.
Absolutely, and tell him your Instagram too, Harry.
H_platinum on Instagram.
H_platinum. Website?
PMLtrans.com.
Okay, anything else we want to give them out there? Because I'm going to add it all in the description below.
Platinum_car rental, Platinum_group, Platinum_chauffeur services, all that.
See that, Jeremy? It's chauffeur services, brother. We talking about 5-star people here now. We ain't talking about 3.5 star, 2.5 star. We ain't even talking about 4-star. We talking about 4 or 5-star, man. You know what I mean? So make sure y'all work with my guy Harry, man. I'm gonna put the number up there for y'all. Call him, email him, do whatever you want to do. Harry, you're embarrassing now. I got you on film, man.
Cut that out.
Cut that out. Edit that out. You know what I mean? But make sure y'all holler at my guy Harry. He gonna get it done every single time. They rent cars. Y'all sell cars. Y'all build cars. Y'all repair cars.
Customized cars.
They customize cars, which I didn't even know that either before. Yeah, it's a long story. But anyway, man. Make sure y'all rock with them. All the info is in the description below, man. I don't know if you ever been in a Ferrari before, brother. No. You know, I don't know about 488 Spider. I know Ricky, man. You gotta get used to this life, brother. No, I'm just playing. It's my first time too, you know. But what you do is you go ahead and you just hit that joint in the pedal shifter, boom, and we in the one. You take that parking brake off right here, bam, and now we are good to go. Pulling off in that Ferrari 488 Spider hardtop, drop top, man. Stay tuned for the review, baby. And this right here, y'all know what that is with the full carbon fibers and all that, man. Like I said, I can't give y'all too much. Just stay tuned for the review. Anything else you want to tell them, brother?
Enjoy it.
Damn, you look you glowing, brother. Yeah, you looking like a bag of money with the neck candy on too. Damn.
Nice as hell.
Oh, big time. So we are back in my apartment complex, man, and I want to show my brother, you know, the other level of the parking garage. You know, this ain't where I park, but you got a Lamborghini Urus right there. You got a Lamborghini Urus. You got a Porsche GT4 right there. I mean, you got Mercedes in here like they're Hondas. You got a Rolls Royce right there and a Mercedes. What'd you say, bro?
I like that yellow on the Urus.
Oh, yeah. I mean, the Urus, I just can't rock, like, you know, because, I mean, it's a Lambo and you got a Ferrari 488 Spider. It's a Lambo. You got Rangers in here, like G-Wagons, like they're Hondas. Y'all know how that go over here, man. LA love the G-Wagons, man, but let me take y'all over here. But yeah, I like the doors gotta go up, man. You got Lambo, the doors gotta go up. It's different if it's like a Ferrari or something like that, you know what I mean?
Right.
But Lamborghini, bro, I just feel like you gotta have the doors go up. But I'm gonna respect the shit out of you if you got a Lamborghini Urgon, no question. Like, you gotta be doing something right like to have that. But that's the Lamborghini Urgon Performante with the Italian flag over there, man. Damn, that thing is legendary though, you know what I mean? Yeah, they're about 300,000 or something like that. You got a GT4, you got another Porsche right here.
Those two are the same Lamborghinis?
Yep, same, no, not the same exact one. That's like, the yellow one is like, I wouldn't say base model because it's a Lamborghini, but it's like, the Performante is like the Demon, and the yellow one is like the Hellcat. Okay. I don't know if that's a good comparison, but it's like that kind of trim though, you know what I mean? That's more of a track version one, you know, and you got the 720S McLaren right there. Big time legendary, man. But now we are in the back of the garage, man, and on the Humbug, you got another Urgon right there, Mercedes G-Wagon, and a Lamborghini Urus way in the tuck. How crazy is that, bro?
Lamborghini Urus need to be clean.
Yeah, big troll brain. No, but you're a car dude, so you're gonna notice that. Like, that's a $250,000 right there. I'm gonna need that thing clean at all times. Yeah, but you know, we big OCD with the whips. Not everybody like that. That GT3 RS, man, I've been wanting to get a review on one of them for the longest. Like, I mean, look at that spoiler and all that. Them joints is purely just track ready, and then them gills on that front fender. Woo!
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, big nasty. Damn, what kind of truck is that? That joint, ooh, I mean, forget the Lamborghini. What is that? Damn! That joint looking like a bag of money. I wonder whose that is. Tall guy, car views. Okay, I'm about to go subscribe, check him out. Yeah, I ain't gonna skip no ads. I'm gonna get that emoji. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do all that. Y'all already know what it is, man. You got that McLaren right here, that Ferrari FF. That orange is crazy. I walk by these every single day, bro. ACR Viper. Ooh, replacement of the Hellcat, maybe? No, LA traffic too bad. Damn, you got that Ferrari on the back of your neck though. Damn, bro. That look crazy, man. Two niggas from the north side of Minneapolis riding a Rory with the top off, hard top, drop top.
That's right.
How crazy is that?
That's crazy, bro.
Going around here is like a damn cars and coffee, ain't it? Just drive around here, let me go ahead and check around the whips. Like, that's how you know I ain't used to having no kind of money. I'm just rolling around here looking at cars and filming. Yeah. Everybody else is rich here. They just be like, oh, normal, another day. That's crazy, man. But you got the old Bentley right here with the body kit. That looks terrible. Do you like that? Yeah, I don't like that either. I ain't gonna lie to you. You got that Benzo. You say you don't like the Mercedes. I'm not a real super crazy fan, but you got 911 Turbo S. This right here, a woman owns this right here, bro. This joint is hard. SLS AMG GT. The doors go up like the BMW i8, like big butterfly effect, man. Big Ashton Kutcher. And then last but not least, you got a BMW i8 right there and another Ferrari FF. Sheesh. That's how I gotta get up out of this joint, a little bitty ass car. Hey, hey, I like the Yoshi shocks. My mama got them for me. But we had to come back here, man, because, damn, that thing look crazy, man, because I forgot my GoPro, rookie mistake, inside the Ram Reason, so that way I can give y'all this legendary car review on that Ferrari 488 Spider. Make sure you follow your boy on Instagram, Snapchat. Subscribe if you're watching this video, and definitely give me a follow on that Facebook. The Ram Reason is still legendary, man. I don't care what nobody talk about, man. That Ferrari is something else. That's a different tax bracket, but still legendary, man. See them plates they got on there? Yep, RDB. Ain't that crazy? Legendary. Yeah, he got some little aftermarket touches on there. Yeah, that's definitely nice. I like the rims on there too. With that wrap, it kind of look like the General, like your SRT. Yeah. Don't it? That joint's nasty though, for sure. So I wanted to tell y'all something real quick, man. And me and my brother were just talking about. I was like, you know, we gotta click on the camera and share that with the G Squad. And I don't know what they honking at, but the traffic's so bad you don't even want to look back. Cause you look back for 1 second, the next show is instant brakes. You know what I mean? But one thing I was telling my brother is, I remember before YouTube, before everything, I wanted a Hellcat, right? And I remember we were driving to California from Phoenix, and just to hang out for the weekend with my brother. And I was telling him, like, I want a Hellcat. And then we drove right by a Hellcat, a great Challenger Hellcat, never forget it. And I lost my mind, didn't I? Yep. I was like, damn, look at Hellcat, bro. I'm gonna buy that joint. Like, I'm gonna get that. Watch what I tell you. I'm gonna get that joint. Years later, got it. And now you got one. Yep. And come on, man. Like, it's crazy. And then not only did we go from that, but look at the back of my neck. Ferrari. 488 with the top down, hard top, drop top. If this don't tell you that you can do anything in this world if you put your mind to it, man, and you go hard as hell at it every single day. Find what you love and do it every single day, and find a way to get paid to do it and make it your lifestyle, man, because that's when you're gonna be the most happiest. You know, you can try to lie to yourself and say you happy working that job you don't like, but take a leap of faith, man, and do what you love to do and find a way for that to give you revenue, man. And I promise you, every single day you wake up, man, it's gonna be a different type of feeling. Like even my brother knows he's working still and he's doing YouTube, but he can't wait for the day where he's clocking so much bread from his YouTube where he don't gotta work that job no more.
Exactly.
He thought he was passionate about it until you really start doing something that you thought would only be a hobby, and you find a way to turn that personal hobby / passion into your job. And it won't be like a job. It's crazy. Like I told him, like we wake up every single day, at least me for sure, like 100% right now. I wake up every single day and I do what I would love to do and I would have done for free.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Who don't want to just talk cars with their bros and drive legendary whips and just shoot the shit? You know what I mean? Like I was doing that, working that job with 3 of them. You know, we sit there in the office and say, hey man, would you rather have this car or this car?
Right.
We won't get paid to talk about that. But now we drive around in it and it's like everyday life and we get paid to do it. Like how big of a blessing, what more big of a blessing can you get? But I just thought it was crazy, man. I wanted to share that with y'all because it's crazy because I went from that moment, poor as hell, you know what I mean, to being like, man, I'm gonna get that Hellcat, bro. To getting the Hellcat, and not only doing that, but leveling up, moved out to LA, nice ass place, like, you know, driving the most craziest exotic cars. I drove cars worth $3-4 million, and I drove cars, you know, worth $20,000-$30,000. I would have been happy to drive before YouTube. Now look at us, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, how crazy is that? I don't know a better way to end the video, y'all. Seriously, man. Like, I could go on and on. Like, man, you know how poor we were when we was kids? We used to eat bread for snacks just to get a little extra filling in the belly. You know what I mean? Like, I could go on and on. If you had a chili dog and you had sour cream, cheese, jalapenos, and all that, big delicacy.
Living good.
Oh my God, stop it. Don't let you have some fried gizzards or something like that. We ate pork chops all the time. You know, mom used to cook those up, whip them up easy. Oh my, listen man, and everybody know pork ain't good for you. You know what I'm saying? But that was like a normal meal, rice-a-roni, hamburger helper, oh God, you know, with the Hawaiian rolls. Oh my God, don't ever, listen here man, doing that to doing this. You know a better way to wrap up the video, bro?
Nope. That's the best way.
Subscribe to my brother's channel, please. I greatly appreciate it because I want him to be a full-blown YouTuber, man. And shout out to my guys here at Platinum, man. They got some legendary rips. We're going to be doing a lot of reviews. Tall guy, I'm out. My brother, the life of Jeremy Barrett. Anything you want to tell him, Brody?
No.
Man, what?
Appreciate you guys' support.
See you on the next one, man. Do your hand thing and all that stuff, brother. You know the YouTuber way. Go ahead.